So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about the most useful and the most efficient command of AutoCAD. I've also taught this command in my 15 most useful commands in AutoCAD video. If you have not seen that, go and check it out. So in this video we are going to focus on array. So let's take for an example, we want this smaller line which is right over here vertical to be divided in some particular distances at this bigger line. So rather than selecting it, copy, then we'll paste it. I am going to show you a more time saving and more efficient way to do it. The command's name is array, which is right over here. The spelling is ARRAY. Note it, sketch it, Photoshop it, do whatever you want. Remember the command array, ARRAY. So just type the command ARRAY array and press enter. Now you have to select the object. So for this case, this line is the object that we want on this bigger horizontal line. So for that, we have to select the line, press enter. Then you have to select the path. Now the path is this bigger horizontal line, and again you have to select the grip of the array. Let's say I just press enter, and now as you can see you have lines right over here, and you will see small arrow which is right over here. So this is like a tuning button. So let's say you want 10 divisions, so you can just drag this right over here, and now the software will tell you at what distance actually all the lines are. So as you can see it over here, in the blue thing, that it is 120, 126, 150, 200, whatever you want. Okay, so you can just select the distance between the items, which is right over here. You can also type it and just press enter, and you will be good to go. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.